YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the scale.
Yeah.
So now this is a 5 kg weight, 5 kg here,
Yeah.
5 kg here. But when I put it on the scale,
Yeah.
it's
Wrong.
4.91.
Yeah.
So now this is how we are going to calibrate it.
Yeah.
First, we switch it off. Then we switch it back on. We press enter. We ask for password. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. No load. Enter again.
Yeah.
Enter again. Load 1. Now this is where we're going to adjust our scale. So we're going to adjust it at 5 kg. Then now we put our 5 kg iron here. Then we press enter, load, and then we press enter again. And then we switch off now. Yes, now we switch off. Then now the scale is already calibrated. Now if we switch it on again, the values should be back to normal.
Yeah.
Yes, so here we go. Testing.
Yeah, good.
Break.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel.